The University of Science and Technology Meghalaya successfully organized the Institutional Excellence Award 2026 alongside a workshop titled Career Opportunities in the Context of NEP-2020 at Hotel Parkline in Agartala on Saturday. The prestigious event was officially inaugurated by the Honorable Minister of State for Industry and Commerce, Brishaketu Debbarma.
Tripura eminent dignitaries, principals, representatives of
The workshop was organized to bring together eminent academics, educationists, principals, teachers, students, and parents from across Tripura. This initiative aims to expand quality higher education and create greater academic opportunities for the youth of the state.
I would like to request you all in this workshop organized by USTM, University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. Before, I don't know about this university, but some of our students from Tripura who were completed their graduation from this university, they invited me for this program. I am very glad to know that the USTM doing very well in our Northeast, and I have seen the video, the campus of USTM. Our Chancellor, Mr. Hawk, I give you words that I'll visit in your university once. When our Arunodaya Shah or Shamal Shah was giving lecture before you, that time I was thinking that how can I giving my lecture by standing before them. Students is okay, no problem. But they are our teacher now. When I was in college, that time our Arunodaya Shah was the vice chancellor. And sitting of the dais, maximum professor, assistant professor. In my life, I never interested in study. Really, I never interested in study. But fortunately, I completed my LLB in 2027. From that, I practiced in court. I don't want interested in civil cases, because in civil cases we have to read so many books, which was I don't want. So my dear students, dream big and your success will be the big. You dream small, then your success also will be small.
The event was graced by Minister Brishaketu Debbarma, including Padma Shri Professor Arunodaya, former founder, Vice Chancellor and Chairman of Tripura University, Professor Shyamul Das, Vice Chancellor of Tripura University, Devabrata Das, Vice Chancellor of MBB University, Bibas Das, and Founder and Chancellor of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, Mahbubul Haq, and distinguished guests.
destination for the people to visit, and that is one of
Reported by Amir from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.